Hello friends, today we will see some new and unique accessories which is available only for the iPhone 10, which is a mobile case with 5000 mAh battery backup system. So friends, let's start the video. So friends, let's make this unboxing little bit faster for you, and you can find purchase link in the video description. I ordered it from the Amazon, as you can see here. So let's unbox it quickly. So here you are. This comes in case with manual. If you wish, you can read the manual. There are some instructions in the manual that how to insert it and what are the LED indicators, what are the buttons. Here is the main case. Brand name is JLW and the model is X3. There are some input and output specification on the case, and this product is made in China. Yes, of course. Here you can see here iPhone charging point, and behind you will find a matte finish with power on off button with indicator bars. We also have landscape support stand for your iPhone 10. So there it will pop up, and this is the landscape support stand for your iPhone 10. So whenever we press button once, it start charging and show the indicator, means battery status of the battery power case, and when we press it again, it will off the charging. So this case is powered by iPhone cable only. Whenever you enter this cable, indicator bar start and it shows the charging level. You can use case while it is in charging also. So this is the best feature I like about the case. So it is charging and your mobile is also charging under the case. So we are sliding this mobile into the case. After proper sliding, you have to press back start button to start the charging. So there you go, it is charging now. If you press the button again, it will stop the charging. So it is very easy to use. So here your pop-up stand for the landscape mode, and now it is fully balanced. Another important feature I like about the case is you can charge another mobile with help of extra USB port. So you have to enter the cable in given USB port, and then you have to again press the start button. So it is very easy and simple to use. So friends, I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Share with your friends if you like this, and subscribe our channel also. Thank you friends.